This is a radar reflector hanging down below one of our high-altitude balloon platforms. We're looking down at the Earth from over 100,000 feet in the playground of the SR-71 Blackbird balloons and high-altitude airships. The balloon is about to pop. There it goes. The fins will stop the roll, then the parachute will deploy. Then all that's left is 18 miles back down to Earth. One more time in slow motion. I hope you've enjoyed this mission snapshot. JP Aerospace, America's other space program.